very good afternoon everyone. அனைவருக்கும் என் அன்பான வணக்கங்கள். As we come to the end of this electrifying event, Makers of Bharat Hosur chapter, I would like to sincerely thank all the industry leaders, entrepreneurs, sponsors, professionals, partners and participants who made today's gathering a meaningful and an impactful one. இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியில் கலந்து கொண்ட அனைவருக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி. Today was not just about discussions, it was about direction. It was about transformation and most importantly, it was about the future of Indian manufacturing. Hosur is one of the strongest manufacturing ecosystems in Bharat. Hosur ಎಂಬತ್ತು India ಉರಪ್ಪತ್ತು ತುರಾಯಿನ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಮೈಂಗಿಲಲ್ ಒಂಡ್ರು. From automotive to aerospace, from MSMEs to global supply chains, in this region represents the true strength of industrial India. Today's discussions from quality to competitiveness is not just a topic, it is a necessity. In today's world, quality is not optional, it is fundamental. Quality is not occasional, it must be habitual. Most importantly, quality is not the differentiator, it is the foundation for competitiveness. தரம் என்பது ஒரு துறை அல்ல, அது ஒரு மனப்பன்னை. Quality is not a department, it is a mindset. The real challenge is, how do we convert quality into competitiveness? How do we build organizations that are process driven and system oriented, that are consistent and scalable? One important realization is, inspection does not build the quality, systems build the quality. And competitiveness is not created in presentations, competitiveness is created on the shop floor. Today, Indian MSMEs have immense capability, but the future belongs to MSMEs that can deliver consistently and adapt quickly. MSMEகள் நவீன உற்பத்தி இந்தியாவின் முன்னேற்ற ரதத்தின் சக்கரங்கள். MSMEs are the wheels of progress of modern manufacturing Bharat. చిన్న మధ్య తరహా పరిశ్రమలు భారతదేశానికి ప్రగతి రథ చక్రాలు. I would also like to thank our keynote speaker, industry partners, knowledge partners, media partners, organizing teams, and every participant who contributed to today's energy and discussions. Belgavi started the journey, Hosur has strengthened the movement, and now we move ahead towards Pune and Ludhiana with even greater purpose. Idu oru nikalge mattum alla, idu oru iyakkam. This is not just an event, this is a moment. Let us not stop with inspiration what we had today. Let us go back and improve our processes, standardize our activities, solve recurring problems, build stronger systems. Because that is how competitiveness is built. Step by step, system by system, factory by factory. Let me end with one very important thought. India cannot become a manufacturing powerhouse with adjustment culture. India can become a manufacturing powerhouse only through discipline, standardization, and competitiveness. We have to change our thought process from good enough to globally trusted. That is the journey Indian MSMEs must take, and let us build that Bharat together. Thank you once again everyone. We wish all of you continue the discussions in the networking lunch and reach home back safe.